I'm currently at our foundry where we make our housings for our LED fixtures.
Because SLG manufactures its own housings, we can assure that each product is built for the long haul and able to withstand the toughest environments. Here in our die-cast plant, you can see several die-cast machines. Molten aluminum is injected into the mold, compressed and cooled. Once the correct temperature and duration is reached, the machine will open to reveal the housing. The majority of our housings are automatically removed, but a few large housings may need to be removed manually. The housing is taken to an area where the flashing is removed, cleaned, and sent for powder coating. Here you can see some of the newest product innovation coming from SLG. Because we are a true manufacturer, we have the ability to create products for the market and our customers from conception to creation.